Welcome to the Explainer. If you've been looking for a zero inventory, low overhead way to build a real digital income stream, well, you are in the exact right place. We're unpacking the ultimate guide to creating and selling Canva templates for profit. Think about it. No coding, no pricey software subscriptions, and definitely no formal design degree needed. Just a free Canva account and a sharp eye for what buyers actually want. Let's get ready to turn that creativity into a serious business.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's our playbook. First, the digital product opportunity. Second, playing by Canva's rules. Third, step-by-step template creation. Fourth, top niches and platforms. And finally, pricing and scaling up.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the digital product opportunity.
So before we even touch the design side of things, we gotta ask, why are Canva templates exploding right now? Well, it all comes down to small business owners. They desperately need professional, affordable design, but they usually don't have the budget for a full-time designer. And that is exactly where you come in. A Canva template is just a pre-built, editable design. And honestly, editable is the absolute magic word here. Unlike traditional freelance work where you're making one finished graphic for one specific client, a template is a whole different ballgame. You build it once, just one single time, but you sell it to hundreds or even thousands of buyers who then go in and personalize it with their own text, colors, and images.
Now you might be wondering, what kind of formats are actually selling? We're talking high-demand stuff, things like social media kits for reels and carousels, planners and wellness journals, those massively popular digital planners for iPads and GoodNotes, plus wedding invitations, business media kits, and lead magnets for email lists. The massive appeal for your buyers across all of these categories? It's speed. Buying a template gives them that high-end professional look instantly. It literally saves them hours of frustration.
And that leads us to a pretty crucial realization. When someone types a phrase like "best Canva templates for small businesses" into a search bar, that's a signal of very high buyer intent. They aren't just casually browsing, they have an immediate problem to solve right now, which means if you set up your shop correctly, you can be their absolute perfect solution.
Moving right along to Section 2, Playing by Canva's Rules.
Okay, time for a little bit of tough love, because knowing the legal rules is what actually protects your shop from being shut down overnight. Now, what's really interesting here is the sharp contrast between what Canva permits and what gets novice sellers banned. You are absolutely allowed to create original compositions, and you can even use Canva Pro elements as long as you sell them strictly as a template link. On the flip side, you cannot, under any circumstances, resell standalone Canva elements. You can't just make minor tweaks like resizing or recoloring a stock template and call it your own, and you definitely can't sell flattened static files if they contain Canva Pro content.
Let's dig into a few more key licensing details. First up, an original design is absolutely mandatory. The value you're providing has to come from your unique layout and creative structure, not just repackaging Canva's stock stuff. Also, like we just said, Pro content must be delivered as a template link. You cannot resell Canva content standalone. Oh, and if you're using AI-generated elements inside Canva, be super careful because copyright ownership there gets a bit tricky depending on where you live. Finally, remember that selling original templates is totally distinct from PLR, or private label rights products, where people resell base files. You are building from scratch here.
All right, Section 3, Step-by-Step Template Creation.
Let's move to the execution phase and see how this builds. This is a super straightforward workflow, and honestly, sticking to a structured process is exactly what separates the top bestsellers from the shops that just hear crickets. Here's your 5-step chronological process. 1. Pick a specific niche or a buyer problem to solve. 2. Build a reusable, editable layout. 3. Make sure you're using completely compliant graphics based on the rules we just went over. 4. And this is a big one, test the template exactly as a buyer would. And 5. Package it all up beautifully with clear instructions.
I love this next point because it's literally the golden rule of template design. Every element that matters, text, color, images, needs to be easy for a non-designer to swap out. You've got to constantly put yourself in the buyer's shoes. The person downloading this probably has zero design skills, right? They need to be able to open your file and customize the whole shebang to fit their brand in under 5 minutes.
And please, whatever you do, always duplicate and test your own template before you hit publish. Actually, I really can't emphasize this enough. Testing your file catches broken links, weird formatting, and accidentally locked elements before they morph into terrible reviews or refund requests. Seriously, be your own first customer.
Next up, Section 4, Top Niches and Platforms. So now that you know how to build a compliant, high-quality template, let's talk strategy. Where do you sell and what topics convert the absolute best? Well, right now, the strongest niches include social media carousels, wedding invitations, daily planners, and business press kits. We also see a massive spike for time-sensitive seasonal content. Think Black Friday social bundles. The real secret here, solving specific, time-sensitive business needs completely outperforms generic designs. A generic social media pack won't do much, but Instagram carousel templates for skincare brands, that gives a very specific buyer exactly what they're searching for.
When it's time to actually set up shop, you're generally looking at two main paths. The Etsy marketplace offers amazing built-in search traffic and incredible buyer intent, but, you're dealing with listing fees and some pretty stiff competition. Versus selling on your own website through places like Gumroad or Payhip. That gives you much lower fees and total control over your customer data. But the trade-off is you're entirely on the hook for driving your own traffic. A lot of successful sellers actually do both. They use Etsy initially for discovery and their own site to capture repeat buyers.
But hey, getting eyeballs on your page is only half the battle. Your listing actually has to convert. What does that take? You need a keyword-rich title that front-loads the niche. You need beautiful mock-ups showing real-use examples so buyers can picture it. You want outcome-driven descriptions, meaning explain the time they're going to save, not just the design specs. Give them a crystal-clear what's included breakdown and state the delivery method right up front. Even the most stunning template won't sell if the buyer doesn't immediately see the value.
Which brings us to Section 5, Pricing and Scaling Up.
This is the final and, let's be honest, the most lucrative part of our playbook. We're talking exactly how to price your digital products for maximum profit. Here are some rock-solid benchmarks to give you a concrete roadmap. Single templates generally run between $3 and $10. Small bundles, say 5 to 10 designs, bump up to the $10 to $25 range. Full kits of 20-plus designs, you're jumping to $25 to $75. And premium branding bundles can easily command $75 to $150 or even more. Now, thinking about those numbers, I've got a question for you. How exactly do you turn a hesitant $5 maybe into a confident, definitive $30 yes? It's the most important psychological secret in digital sales.
So the crucial point here is bundling. Bundling completely shifts the buyer's mental math. It takes them from thinking, is this one single design worth $5? To suddenly realizing, wait, is this entire ready-to-go system worth $30? It is the ultimate way to increase perceived value, and it makes the purchase an absolute no-brainer for small business owners who just want to solve a whole content problem at once.
To scale all of this into consistent income, you'll want to lean into a few specific growth tactics. First, build a recognizable, trusted visual style so buyers keep coming back. Second, mix your evergreen year-round templates with time-sensitive seasonal drops. Third, listen to your buyers, iterate and update your files based entirely on the reviews and feedback. And fourth, promote your products with Watch Me customize real-time video demos on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Treating your shop like an evolving product line is exactly how you generate a repeatable income system.
And that wraps up our explainer. You've got the playbook, you know the rules, and you understand the pricing psychology. So, what specific problem will your very first template solve? Think about it, find your niche, and start designing today. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I can't wait to see what you build.